Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Rae, aka RaeeUfSunshinee, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this lace frontal wig. So if you guys are interested, let's just get right into this video. It's your girl Rae, aka RaeeUfSunshinee, and welcome back to my channel.
My name is Susan and you are listening to Sunshine Beats.
And while you're at it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, you guys, so the hair in which I got is 100% human hair from Queen Beauty on AliExpress. I got 3 bundles, which are 22 inches and one 18-inch lace frontal. I will be using a mesh wig cap in the color brown just because I want it to match my skin complexion. I have some needles here along with some pins and my thread. You can use whatever color thread you want. I personally was looking for a white thread, but however, I wasn't able to find a white thread, so I just went ahead and stuck with light brown. Once you have your frontal, you are going to hold it by the ends and drag it down. So the front of the frontal goes past down the beginning of your wig cap. You want to make sure that you're laying your frontal nice and flat on the head. So make sure you grab the ending of the frontals and grab a pin and make sure it's nice and straight, and it should look like this. Alright, so you will see me grabbing hairspray. The reason as to why I grabbed hairspray was because I did not want to grab any of the hair while I was trying to sew down the frontal. I grabbed some hairspray and I sprayed the hair out of the way. Once you start sewing down your frontal, you want to make sure that you are going through the top layer of the wig cap and not the elastic band. If you go through the elastic band and then when it's time to wear the wig, it might be a bit hard to actually wear it because the elastic band is sewed and that may cause problems. I won't be speaking much in this video, so if you need more instructions or more in-depth information about how to make a wig, I will link my original lace closure wig making video in the iCard, and I'll make sure to add it in the end screen as well. There might be some areas in which it hops from one part of the wig head to a next area of the wig head, and that's just because I had a hard time recording this for some reason, but I tried to make sure I got in the most important parts on camera. If you guys have any questions about anything, feel free to leave them down below in the comments and I will get back to you ASAP. Okay, you guys, so at this point in time, it is time to sew in the actual hair. What you see me doing here is creating white lines on the wig cap, so I have an idea of how far I want the hair to be. The reasoning as to why you see these white lines on the wig cap is just because it helps me to sew a bit more straight. So that's what you see me doing here. This step is completely optional. I just like the way this helps me sew the hair on to the wig cap. What you see me doing here right now is I am just going ahead and I'm sewing on the tracks on the wig cap. As I go a bit higher on the wig cap, you will see I only use one weft instead of the both. And that's just because the higher I get, I want the wig to lay as flat as it can be. And here, this is where you see me only using one weft of the track, and I'm going to continue to do that for the rest of the wig. Alright, you guys, so once you have sewed down all the hair on your wig cap, you want to make sure you go ahead and flip the wig inside out, because you want to remove the part of the wig cap that's underneath your lace frontal or your lace closure. This is just how the wig looks once it's fully constructed. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down in the comments down below. Stick tuned for part 2 where I will be coloring the wig, and for part 3 where I will be installing the wig. If you guys have any questions, once again, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching. If this is something that you enjoyed, please give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
My name is Susan and you are listening to Sunshine.